Namaskar. Today we are going to learn gobi 65. Cauliflower, garlic, curd, ghee, diamonds of green chili, chopped coriander, curry leaves, salt, chili powder, turmeric, cumin powder, dhania powder. Add ghee into yolk. Heat the ghee. Add the garlic, green chili, curry leaf, coriander. Toss it up. In the curd, Indian. Add coriander powder, zira powder, turmeric, chili powder, salt. Mix together. Let garlic turn to the golden brown color. Add your mixed sauce into your mixture. Let cook the liquid. Add your gobi into your sauce. Add some coriander on top of your when you are going to serve. The gobi 65 is ready to serve.
Namaste. Today we are going to make cauliflower, broccoli and bell pepper skewers. The ingredients for cauliflower, broccoli, bell pepper skewers are red bell pepper, colored bell pepper, broccoli, turmeric boiled cauliflower, parsley, tomato ketchup, 5 spice, salt. First we'll prepare the marination for the vegetables. Some olive oil, some 5 spice powder, salt and tomato ketchup. We'll mix these ingredients together. Now we'll add some cauliflowers. Some broccoli. Some bell peppers, colored bell peppers. Red bell peppers. And some finely chopped parsley. Put the vegetables into the skewers. So now our skewers are ready. Now we will grill them. We'll take them onto a plate, another plate. So now we'll just grill them over a hot pan. should make sure that we don't overcook the vegetables. We want the vegetables to be slightly crispy, but have a nice color also. So now we'll carefully remove the skewers. Now we'll serve it along with some steak sauce, which you can find commercially. You just splatter some. Cauliflower, broccoli and bell pepper skewers are now served.